Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Jordan MA2s. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the Jordan MA2s. And we got this in a UK size 7.5, it's a European 42, and it's a men's US size 8.5. Now let's get unboxing. And here they are. They remind me of the Air Jordan 3s and a lot of Air Maxes as well because of this air bubble that you can see here. Classic colorways though, white, black and red. We'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. Lots of traction patterning, Jumpman logo in the middle, and you can see the Air 200 logo there at the heel. And that's very important because as we move along onto the midsole unit, look at that midsole, you can see that big airbag, that Air Max, well it's a Max Air 200 right there in the middle. The rest of the midsole is foam, but a lot of that comfort is coming from this massive airbag unit. Moving along onto the uppers, so we got an array of materials here. We got meshes, we've got synthetic leathers all around. You can see at the toe box area right there, you can see your textiles with the mesh underneath. Just over it, you can see all the leathers. You can see the right there with that black strip on the toe box there. And if you look at this lateral side of the sneaker, it's got the Jordan FA2 airbag. It specifies that it is the Air Max 200s or Max Air 200s. Looking at the lacing, it's a normal lacing system, nice cushion tongue as well. And a lot of these lifestyle Jordan sneakers, I wouldn't recommend playing basketball in these guys, but if you were just to rock out on the streets or just have your casual walks, I recommend these, mostly because of that big Air Max unit. But you got the Nike Air logo there, just it's covered with this pull tab that's on the tongue. Sock liner, essentially the ankle support is a perforated sock foam, and the way that it's elevated is there so it's easy for you to slip your feet in, which is great. I can't tell you, especially like Air Jordan 3s, you have that little rubber bit at the back and it will just dig into your heels. So it's really nice that they've taken your comfort into account here. Great from Jordan brand. And you look at the heel clip. So you got bits of this synthetic leather in this black strip and this rubber in red. And what's really dope is that it says foot to foot eject. So it's like an ejector seat, like this pull, maybe you pull this and it lifts yourself up, just like an ejector seat that you find in fighter jets. So it's really cool to that they've incorporated this in their sneakers. With this colorway, it reminds me of the cement or fire red 3s, especially this look and the way that it's cut as well, just reminds me of that. But given this Air Max unit, it just reminds me of the Air Max 720s or 270s, those big Air Max units. And it's dope to see that Jordan have incorporated such classic Nike technologies in their sneakers. With Jordan's seal of approval, with that Jumpman logo that you can see here at the tongue and right there on that little hoop on the lateral side. And yeah, if anything, I'm bound to expect a lot of comfort given the Air Max bubble. So I'm really excited to try these on. So roll out footage of me trying these Jordan MA2s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. I'm a UK size 7.5, which is a European 42. My toes are where they need to be. Quite comfortable. It was easy to get my feet in because of this higher slippage on the heel. It's really good. Factor that. I think most sneakers should add that in. But apart from that, they look really good on. They remind me of, I don't know why, they remind me of a rocket ship or something an astronaut would wear. You can see there. Wouldn't really know that these are Jordans, but these are a pair of Jordans. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.